ultimately AI, as we conceive it today, technologically speaking, will require neural networks, um, adaptive neural networks. And so machine learning is an important first step towards AI. And it's something we can use right now for specialized domain knowledge and domain data. And so how does it work? Machine learning is the ability to apply a multi-layered neural network for pattern recognition in data. That's a lot of complicated terms, probably. So let's think of a simple example. You've probably seen image recognition. That's one application of neural networks and machine learning, where if I show some sort of sensor, visual sensor, camera, a series of images, it can detect patterns. And so you can think of a neural network as a fuzzy pattern recognition thing. And so if you show it enough of the similar pattern, it can start learning that. And it doesn't learn it through logical statements. It doesn't learn it by saying, if I see, blue pixels and red pixels in this certain pattern, then it means this. It learns it by having the image be an input to a network of neurons, which are individual agents. You can think of it like a big board of neurons. You show it an image, and it has a way to embed that pattern into itself so it can recognize it even when the pattern is slightly different. And this is the advantage of machine learning and neural nets is over time, as it's trained, it can learn to generalize the recognition of a certain pattern. And instead of having a specific definition of a rule, we have the ability for it to generalize the input and make a statement about it. In other words, you could say, this image looks like a cat. It's not a specific if-then series of statements that derive to the statement that this image looks like a cat. It's almost like the feeling of the image is a cat based on all these previous inputs and the previous learnings of the neural net.